Hey there! Welcome to today's video. The Bible is more than just an ancient book. It's a source of timeless wisdom that can guide us through life's challenges and opportunities. Today, I'll explore 7 powerful lessons from the Bible that can help us live with faith, purpose, and love. Let's dive in. First up, unwavering faith and trust. Faith is the foundation of a strong spiritual life. The Bible teaches us that trusting in God, even in difficult times, leads to peace and strength. Take the story of Job. Despite immense suffering, he remained faithful and was ultimately restored. Proverbs 3:5-6 reminds us to trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Today, challenge yourself to surrender your worries to God and trust His plan. Next, living with purpose and intention. We are all created with a unique purpose. Jeremiah 29:11 reassures us that God has plans for us, plans to prosper and not harm. When we align our actions with God's will, we find true fulfillment. Reflect on this. What gifts has God given you? How can you use them to serve others and glorify Him? Now let's talk about the power of forgiveness and grace. Forgiveness is not just a kind act, it's a gift that frees our hearts. Jesus demonstrated ultimate forgiveness on the cross, teaching us in Matthew 6:14 that if we forgive others, God will forgive us. Holding on to anger only weighs us down. Today, consider letting go of past hurts and extending grace to those around you. And finally, the importance of love and compassion. Love is at the core of Christianity. 1 Corinthians 13:13 tells us that the greatest of these is love. Jesus' life was a perfect example of compassion. Whether through a kind word, a helping hand, or a heartfelt prayer, we can show God's love in small yet powerful ways every day. These 7 Bible lessons remind us of God's wisdom and love. By applying faith, purpose, forgiveness, and compassion in our daily lives, we can walk closer with Him and find deeper fulfillment. Which lesson spoke to you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more faith-based content. See you next time, and God bless.